All right, we're going to talk about how to make marketing videos for YouTube. Now, there's actually two different types of marketing videos. One is way better for YouTube than the other, and most people get it wrong. So by the end of this video, you'll understand what type of video is right for YouTube, how to really leverage YouTube for lead generation, and even better, how to get high quality leads. Instead of low quality leads with low conversion rates, how to generate referral quality leads from the right type of video on YouTube. Let's dive right in. Okay, so again, there are two different types of marketing videos, and some of these videos really belong on YouTube. YouTube is the best place for them, but other types of videos you don't want on YouTube. That's not going to get your results. You want them actually on your website. Now, if you put them on YouTube as unlisted, that works just great, and then you can embed them on your website. You want the promo type videos to be on your landing page. You want them to be on your homepage of your website. What most people do that's wrong is they take that type of a video, a promo video, something that they really worked hard on to create, and which you want a really good promo video, but they create that video and then they pay for Facebook ads or some type of advertising to get traffic to view it, and that's their sales process. That's their marketing process. So they go through a high volume of leads, a real high volume of leads that turn into a small conversion rate that turns into a low quality lead. Now, I talk to people pretty frequently that will be investing, say, $300,000 per month on Facebook ads, and they'll send it to a landing page into a promo video like this, and their conversion rates will be such that they'll bring in maybe $400,000 or $500,000 in revenue. That's pretty risky to me to invest $300,000, because what if it doesn't work? What if you don't make a profit on that? And it's not that they're just making sales on that landing page, but the landing page is collecting the lead, and then they're trying to have a conversation with them. And if they make enough sales, then they can generate that higher volume of revenue. But the sales team is really dealing with a low quality lead. The majority of the people that they talk to can't afford their services or won't buy their services. So how can we change that? How can we change that you're having a lot higher quality conversation with people that are like a referral quality lead? How can you warm people up? How can you build a relationship first? That's what we're going to be talking about the rest of this video. We're going to be talking about a stage 1 videos. So the type of videos that you want to put on YouTube are the stage 1, are the relationship builders. You don't need to promote yourself. You don't need to promote your business. You don't need to sell anything on YouTube. Save that for your website. On your website, there's going to be testimonials. Your website will have these amazing promo videos. And if you want to continue to experiment with paid ads, sure, go for it. But while you're doing that, in the meantime, go ahead and start building these stage 1 videos. And you'll see that the leads that come from these relationship building videos will be such higher quality that I bet you're eventually going to turn off your Facebook ads. Okay, so these stage 1 videos, these are videos that answer a question, a very specific question. So right now, all around this globe or this earth, there are people that are searching for you. They just can't find you. They don't know that you exist. So if you find out what is the question they are asking, what are they searching for? There's actually a tool that you can use, and I can show that to you, where you type in what your expertise is, and it will bring up all the questions that your target audience is asking. So imagine this. You find those questions, and you make a video that answers their question. So now somebody who's never heard of you before is now watching your video because you're answering their question, and after about 10 minutes, they trust you because you've helped them out. They have a relationship with you, a little bit of a relationship, but it's no longer cold. Now you have a warm lead, somebody who knows who you are, and there's a little bit of a relationship that's built. So it's at that stage, when somebody's at that point, they're already warm, you can then give them a free gift. You can do a lead magnet and send them to a landing page. It's at that point when they leave YouTube and then go to your promo video or go to your website or go to a landing page, they're much better prepared, and you'll have referral quality leads coming in because you warmed them up like that. So the key is to really follow this strategy where you can dominate YouTube with these relationship building videos. So let me show you an example. I did this in a previous episode I filmed today. I typed in how to get your kids to listen without yelling, and look at this. Paul Jenkins and Nick Peck, both clients of mine, they're ranking on the top of YouTube. And I actually recommend that you go and do this search right now. I'm betting that this one that you see at the top here will not be at the top on your screen. I just do this search often. I'm guessing you're going to see this one at the very top. Let me show you another example. Are fixed indexed annuities a good investment? Oh boy, there's Stan the Annuity Man ranking right at the top of YouTube. And let me paste in another question. What is a short sell versus foreclosure? Oh look, there's Nicole Espinosa right at the top. She's a client of mine. How to get business credit with poor personal credit. Look, there's Noelle Randall. I've been producing her channel since the beginning of 2020. So how did we get there? Let me show you one of the key secrets of my strategy. This is a spreadsheet that I created for Noelle Randall. And what you're seeing here, I created back in February of this year. And let me break it down for you. So this branch, I call it, has got 4 words. So if the trunk of the tree was the word real, then we go out into a branch and we have the word estate. And then on that branch, we find another branch, the investor, and level 4 branch is the word find. Okay, so level 4 branch, real estate investor find. But there's another level 4 branch, real estate investor become. So all of these questions have the words real estate investor become. So up here, it's like you're trying to find real estate investors in your area, or find commercial investors, or find them for flipping, or find them for wholesale, find them online, right? So I showed these 2 different branches to Noelle, and she looked at them and said, wow, when I look at them like this, I definitely don't want to go after that first branch. That's not my target audience. So I don't need to show up on YouTube for those questions. But the second branch, she said, that is my target audience. I totally want to dominate every single one of these questions. So let me show you where she was, because I've been producing her channel for 4 years at this point. So on February 10th, we did some digging, and we basically just typed these questions into YouTube to see where Noelle was showing up. And if she was showing up in the top 3 on that first page without having to scroll, that's what a yes means. Starting means she was not at the top, but if we scroll down, we found her lower down in the top 20. And no means she wasn't there. We didn't find her in that top 20. So what's interesting is in this first branch that she did not want to dominate, she actually already had a good amount of traction. There's a lot of yeses there. But in the branch that she wants to dominate, you see that there's a lot of no's. And so we got to work and we filmed a lot of episodes on this branch. Now, if you look at the data on April 18th, a lot of these no's started to turn to yeses. And by May 16th, even more yeses. By July 3rd of this year, you see it's majority yes. So now she is really dominating this branch of real estate investor become. Now that you've learned the strategy, I bet you'd like to master it. Well, I've created a mini course. It's called the YouTube Lead Gen Blueprint. The course is $17 and you can find it at youtubeleadgen.net. So I'll go ahead and I'll put that link in the description below. When you go through this course, you go step by step through each of the steps that I take with all of the channels that I produce. I produce over 50 different YouTube channels that all leverage YouTube for lead generation like I've shown. And so as you complete this course, you'll be able to complete it in a handful of hours. You'll be able to start filming videos, maybe even today or tomorrow, and then you'll be able to start tracking results. So you'll be able to change your no's to some yeses, to more yeses, and then you'll be able to dominate YouTube in this exact same way. So go to youtubeleadgen.net. I'll see you there.